Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK, and a project with material components. Once confirmed, open build. Gradle module and add the Jetpack navigation and material dependencies, then sync. Next, create a navigation resource file, navgraph, XML under res/navigation, and add a host fragment in your activity layout. Do this now so the app has a designated navigation host. It's the anchor for fragments, and the navigation bar you will implement. Once the nav host exists, open navgraph, XML, and add destinations for each screen, linking them with actions. Give each destination a clear ID. Then edit activity main. XML, place a nav host fragment, and beneath it, add a bottom navigation view tied to a menu resource. Make sure menu item ID match fragment ID in the nav graph. This linkage is how the bar triggers navigation. Finally, create the fragment layouts and Kotlin/Java fragment classes. Now wire the UI to the nav controller. In your activities on Create, find the nav controller from the nav host fragment and call setup with nav controller on the bottom navigation view, so taps navigate. Configure app bar configuration if you use a toolbar, and implement on support navigate up to delegate to nav controller. Navigate up. Then run the app and test each button. If a tab doesn't open, make sure menu ID exactly match nav graph destination ID and inspect logcat for navigation exceptions. ID mismatches are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.